Very peaceful and easy night on the hook. Didn't even have the rocker stopper out, and very, very nice motion on the boat. Winds came howling back in. Must have been around 5 a.m. Other than that, it was pretty quiet all night. Sun's just coming up over the mountains now, lighting up the Makua Valley here at Makua Bay anchorage. And the view is remarkable. We're gonna do some onshore explorations today. We're gonna check out this anchorage and see what there is to see on land. Spinner dolphins are here, kind of being corralled by tourist boats, which is not uncommon in Hawaii. There's a new Marine Mammal Protection Act that just went into place that forces them to stay further away than they used to. That's what Captain Mike told me, and he drives like one of the tour boats, so that's a good thing to help protect the animals and make them feel less sort of like stalked, you know. Amazing. They're like a boat length away right now. So cool. Since coming here is the first time I've ever seen spinner dolphins, so it's a huge treat, and I'm super stoked right now. Okay, getting ready to swim into shore and hike up to the Higher Kaneana Cave, also known as Makua Cave. I'm swimming to shore so I don't have to worry about the safety and security of my dinghy on shore while I'm off on a long hike. It's mellow, easy, and should be chill. So let's get ashore and see what's up. Easy swim ashore. My dry bag did okay. I double dry bagged the electronic stuff just to be safe. A little bit of water in, but not too bad for considering how far I swam. Now we're gonna hike through this like thick brush and trees and find the road and figure out where this cave is. I'm used to seeing warning signs off of trails, you know, watch out for rattlesnakes, you know, dangerous cliffs, unsteady footing. I don't know that I've ever hiked on a trail that had this sign though. So I've located the trailhead for the Kaneana Upper Caves, or the Makua Upper Caves. I will say that this is on federal property. It says warning, restricted area, so you are trespassing if you visit here. Also, you can find this info by a simple Google search, so me filming this isn't like I'm giving away a great secret that no one has access to. So, you know, some people get upset about it, but I'm just taking you guys up so maybe not as many people have to trespass and can see this magical cave. Another thing I'll say is this cave has religious significance for the Hawaiian people, so if you do visit it, be respectful of that. And all right, let's get on this trail. It sounds like it's going to be a wild one. Ooh, pretty steep trail. I think the payoff's gonna be worth it though. So this Upper Makua Cave, Kaneana Cave, is much smaller than the one down below. Just kind of a nook out of the cliff face. And but the views are spectacular. Just completely amazing. See Tritea sitting under anchor, crazy turquoise blue water. The sun is out and it is fantastic. I would say if you're looking for adventure and a completely remarkable view, then the hike is worth it. It's not a very long hike, it's just pretty steep. But if you're looking for like seeing a really amazing cave, it's not worth that hike. But if you're looking to explore a really amazing cave, you don't need to hike up here. The really interesting cave is down at the road level and you can check it out. But as far as the view goes, absolutely stunning. Okay, now we're gonna head up to the Lower Makua Cave, or Kaneana Cave. This one you can get to, it's right across from our parking lot. It's easy to get to and check out the mouth of the cave. I brought a headlamp, we'll see how deep we can go. It's the one me and Sarah stopped at. If you watched our West Side adventure, we just saw it, pulled over and like peeked inside, but we weren't really prepared to really explore it. So let's see if we can give this thing a deeper look and talk about the mythology behind this cave. So the legend of this cave is there was a Hawaiian god. I can't remember his name at the moment. I'm going to put it on the screen. I would butcher it if I did remember it anyway. But he was a man-eating shark, and he would transform into a human to lure his prey into the cave and then eat them. So let's hope we don't get eaten by a great white while we're in this cave. Oh, spooky. So it definitely looks like this is the end of the tunnel here. I kind of peered up inside this little tunnel and it doesn't look like it goes much deeper. I don't want to get stuck by myself. So this is the end of the road for us in this cave. And so far we've made it out without getting eaten. And let's try to get back to daylight. Definitely worth a stop to check out this cave. And if you're feeling real adventurous, hike up to the Upper Caves for the view, which is unmatched. Now we're gonna head back down and walk along the coast back to where we're gonna swim back to Traitea. It seems like there's a really cool like ledges of lava rock, and might be some really neat tide pools over there. So we're just gonna head down from the parking lot straight back to the shore and check it out. You'll see these white PVC pipes sticking out of lava rock in different places around the coast, and fishermen put those there to put their fishing poles in while they're looking for dinner. Blowholes are cool. time to swim back, make some lunch, and relax a bit.